wear seat belt. And then adjust your seat depending on your height and comfort. You can either go forward or backward. The left leg is for brake, while the right leg is for accelerator. You have to use your tools to place any pedal. The ankle needs to stay on the floor. For safety purposes, it is prohibited to press both accelerator and brake at the same time. You have to press each pedal one at a time. Now this is the handbrake. Right now it is engaged and you can find the symbol on the dashboard. To disengage it, you have to press the button then push forward. To engage it, you have to press the button then pull backward. Now this is gear shift. To engage it, to engage in drive, you have to push forward. To put in neutral, you have to go in the middle, while to go into the reverse, you have to pull backward. Now these are the controllers. The first controller, when you pull backward, it is for lifting up, while when you push forward, it is for going down. The second controller is for tilting. To use it, you have to make sure that the dents are up. The third controller, it is used to either go left or right, and there are the arrow flash that shows you where the machine will be going. Remember, the first controller is used to either lift up or down. When you pull backward, the machine goes up. When you push forward, the machine goes down. The second controller is used to tilt. When you push forward, you tilt down, while when you pull, the machine goes back to you. Now the third controller is used to move the load either on left or the right side. There are flashes that shows you the side where you will be moving your load. Now to turn on the machine, you have to press the brake while the gear shift is in neutral, and then turn the key. For you to be safe while you are moving, the dent needs to be up. Remember, to lift the machine up, you pull backward.